Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to another exciting lesson where we're going to learn all about subtraction with our guest, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. What is subtraction? Subtraction simply means taking one number away from the other. It is very important, boys and girls, that we know the parts of a subtraction sentence. Let's look at the subtraction number sentence that we have in front of us. We have 5 take away 1 equals 4. In this number sentence, the 5 is the minuend, the 1 is the subtrahend, and the 4 is the difference. So when you would have taken away 1 from 5, your answer to the subtraction problem is called the difference. It's very important that you remember that, boys and girls. Let's move on. So let's subtract. We're going to subtract 4,356. Take away 2,135. So, where do we begin? We will begin subtracting in the ones place. Excellent. So that means we're subtracting 6 take away 5. 6 take away 5 gives us 1. Then we will move to the tens place, where we have 5 take away 3, which gives us 2. Then we will move to the hundredths place, where we will subtract 3 take away 1, and that gives us 2. Then we will move to the thousandths place. 4 take away 2 gives us 2. So our difference is 2,221. Go to the head of the class. Well, what advice do you have for us, Scooby-Doo, when we're solving subtraction word problems? Well, Scooby advises us to use cubes. C tells us to circle any key numbers and units. U, underline the question. B, box any math clue words. E, evaluate and eliminate. Finally, S, solve and show your work. Let's take a look at some subtraction clue words. They are difference, minus, take away, remain, how many more, less than, fewer, left over, or not. So when we see these words, they are clues that tells us that we must subtract. Let's go and try to solve a word problem. The photo gallery has a total of 5,674 photos. It has 2,370 photos in photo albums. How many of the photos are left out of the albums? So, the first step, circle the numbers. The next step, underline the question. How many of the photos are left out of the albums? Then, box any math clue words. Do you see any clue words? Left is a clue word that tells us that we must subtract. So now we can solve and show our work. 5,674 take away 2,370. First, we will begin subtraction in the ones column. So 4 take away 0 gives us 4. Then we will move to the tens column. 7 take away 7 gives us 0. Then we will move to the hundreds column. 6 take away 3 gives us 3. And then we'll move to the thousands. 5 take away 2 gives us, that's right, 3. And so the difference is 3,304 photos. You guys are really, really smart. Kiss your brain. Another word problem. Lisa went on a road trip. She had to travel 2,435 miles to get to Orlando. If she traveled 1,214 miles on Monday, how many more miles did she have to travel? So the first step we must do, boys and girls, is to circle our numbers. So we're circling 2,435 and 1,214. Then underline the question. How many more miles did she have to travel? Now we're going to box any clue words. How many more is a clue that tells us that we must subtract. Excellent. Now we're going to solve and show our work. 2,435, take away 1,214. So we begin subtraction in the ones column. 5 take away 4 gives us 1. Then we move to the tens column. 3 take away 1 gives us 2. Then we will move to the hundreds column. 4 take away 2 gives us 2. And finally, we'll move to our thousands column. 2 take away 1 gives us 1. And so we have a difference of 1,221 miles. Way to go, boys and girls. Go to the head of the class. Thank you very much, boys and girls. You were excellent detectives. Thank you very much, boys and girls, for your attention. You were excellent detectives as we learned about subtraction with our special guest, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Until next time, I'm Mrs. Theophilus. Have a great day.